Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very easy and quick date night look. So I'm going to go ahead and get my witch hazel and apply it to my face along with my jojoba oil and my Fenty Beauty primer. Once I am done with that, I'm going to get my Morphe brow pencil and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Once I am done filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to get my Tarte concealer and I'm going to outline my eyebrows, cleaning them up. Once that I'm done outlining my eyebrows, I'm going to bring that concealer down to my lid to prep my eyelids for my eyeshadow. And I'm basically going to blend that concealer out, giving it a very smooth lid. Once I'm done smoothing my eyelids out, I'm going to get my translucent powder and set my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Now that I'm done setting my eyelids, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35O eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to get this color right here and apply that to my crease. Now that color is applied to my crease, I'm going to go in with this other color right here, and I'm going to apply this color to my lid, and I'm going to also bring it up to my crease, blending it out. Once I'm done applying this color to my lid, I'm going to get this glittery shade right here and cut my crease with it. I'm not going to use concealer before cutting my crease simply because I don't want a very sharp cut crease. I want a very natural blended crease. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer and outline the top of my eyebrow, and I'm going to blend that out. Once that is done being blended out, I'm going to go in with my Morphe brow mascara and apply that to my eyebrows. Now I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty foundation and apply this to my face. And I'm using my Morphe brush to blend this thoroughly out on my face. Once that is done being blended, I'm going to get my Tarte concealer and apply my concealer under my eyelids. And I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I'm going to get the excess concealer that's on the beauty blender and apply it to my nose and my chin. Now I'm going to get my Mercier translucent powder and apply it under my eye, on my nose, and on my chin. Once that is done being applied, I'm going to go in with my Sephora LashCraft Big Volume Mascara and apply that to both of my eyes. Now I'm going to wipe away all of the setting powder on my face. Now I'm going to get my beauty blender to blend my face out. Once that is done, I'm going to get my Fenty bronzer in the color Cocoa Naughty, and I'm going to bronze my face. Now I'm going to get my Morphe setting spray and set my face, and then I'm going to go off camera and apply lip gloss, and I'm going to come back and spray my all-nighter setting spray onto my face, and that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and please turn on those post notifications so that you guys will not miss upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a great day.